Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix cannot scroll bottom notification on your iPhone. So guys, if you have updated your device and you're facing a problem that you cannot scroll down your notification, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, just simply open the settings and then tap on general, scroll down and here tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds. After that, open it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and then reset all settings, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, the third solution is open software update and check if there is any update available. Then you have to just simply update your device and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video has helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.